Are you tired of your siblings walking into your room and taking all of your things? Well, me too. That's why I decided to design my very own alarm system for my personal items. The components I used are a polarized magnet, wires and jumper wires, a breadboard, a buzzer, a 9-volt battery as a power source, a 10,000 ohm resistor and four 1,000 ohm resistors, a 10 microfarad capacitor, an LM7805 voltage regulator, a red LED, a 555 timer IC, a 50,000 ohm potentiometer, a 3144 Hall effect magnet sensor, and a BC547 transistor. First, I built the circuit onto the breadboard. In this circuit, the 9-volt battery is first regulated down to 5 volts with the voltage regulator so that all the components receive a steady voltage. The Hall sensor detects whether a magnet is near it, and when it is, the sensor outputs 0 volts. This keeps the transistor turned off since no current is passing through its base, which means the 555 timer receives no power, so the LED and buzzer stay off. But when the magnet moves away, like when the jewelry box opens, this Hall sensor output switches to 5 volts. This activates the transistor's base with current, letting power reach the 555 timer. The timer is wired in astable mode, which means it automatically creates a repeating on-off frequency. This pulsing signal drives both the LED and the buzzer, making them flash and beep as an alarm. So when the magnet is close, the alarm is off, and when the magnet is taken away, the alarm turns on. Next, I put my circuit into my jewelry box to make it all come together. Finally, here's me decorating the jewelry box and making some last finishing touches. In conclusion, my project does work because the alarm goes off every time I open the jewelry box, but it took a lot of rebuilding to get it right. At first, this circuit wasn't reacting to the magnet the way it was supposed to, so I looked for any modifications I could make to the diagram to solve that problem. After many tries, I decided to follow the diagram extremely carefully, checked every wire one by one, and made sure each component was in the correct row. Once everything matched the diagram perfectly, the circuit finally worked the way it should. The only extra thing I had to do was attach longer wires to the LED and the Hall sensor so I could position them away from the breadboard to make sense in my jewelry box, but the actual circuit itself worked exactly as designed.